Good morning to all. In the CET Chemical Engineering Thermodynamics, we are discussing about the thermodynamics diagram in which temperature, pressure, or a pressure enthalpy diagram. Okay, so various types of diagram is available. So in which we discussing pH diagram. Okay, now HD diagram also we discussing. Then today we are discussing temperature and entropy diagram. The temperature is dependent, sorry, entropy is dependent for the temperature. So entropy of the system will be changed by the change in the temperature. So temperature and entropy are correlated with each other. બરાબર, ટેમ્પરેચર અને એન્ટ્રોપી સાથે આ રીતે સંબંધ છે. એન્ટ્રોપી, so the temperature entropy diagram, let's see. Here is figure number 6.11 is indicating TS diagram, temperature entropy diagram. Okay, so a typical TS diagram is shown in figure. These are useful in following temperature change in isentropic process. For the isentropic processes, temperature changes. Okay, uh, changes in isentropic processes. So in the isentropic process is that no heat and mass transfer. Okay, no heat and mass transfer, but the reaction is carried out. But in these processes, there is the temperature change. Okay, so a reversible adiabatic process is essentially isentropic, and it would be represented by a vertical line on the temperature entropy diagram. So once again, I repeat this. For adiabatic process, that means heat and mass not transferred, but the process is carried out in reversible. But isentropic process is thermodynamically idealized, in which the mass is remain unchanged, but the process, sorry, mass transfer, but there is a no heat transferring. Okay, so that should be shown in figure. It represents that temperature versus entropy diagram. It indicates that graph. Okay, and goes here. Here C point is the critical point. Okay, and below the critical point it is the value of liquid, and in the graph it is liquid plus vapor, and outer part is the vapor. So uh, if we draw the line, so it indicates all these are the liquids. Okay, અંદરની બાજુમાં શું હશે, લિક્વિડ અને વેપર બંને. બરાબર, જ્યારે વચ્ચેના ભાગમાં શું હશે, લિક્વિડ અને વેપર, અને આઉટર પાર્ટમાં વેપર. બરાબર, આ ત્રણ હોય છે. અને આ જે વેલ્યુ છે એ શું છે, કોન્સ્ટન્ટ એન્થાલ્પી. બરાબર, આ લાઈન જે ઇન્ડિકેટ કરે છે કોન્સ્ટન્ટ એન્થાલ્પી, કોન્સ્ટન્ટ પી, કોન્સ્ટન્ટ પ્રેશર રહેશે આ પોઈન્ટ ઉપર, અને આ જગ્યા પર જે અંદરનો ભાગ છે ત્યાં શું રહેશે, કોન્સ્ટન્ટ વી. So reversible adiabatic process is essentially isentropic, and it would be represented by vertically line on TS diagram. In case of turbine and compressor, a vertical line drawn from the initial pressure to final pressure shows the path followed by the fluid undergoing a reversible adiabatic operations. In this process, vertical line is indicating that then horizontal lines of constant pressure, lines of a constant enthalpy, and a constant quantity are drawn within the two-phase region. The former of two lines are drawn in liquid phase and vapor phase region as well. This one is a liquid phase and this one is vapor phase. Okay, and here is the constant pressure and volume. The horizontal distance between saturation curve and the saturation uh, vapor, liquid vapor and vapor phase, and the horizontal between saturation curve, that means the example is given, is that saturation is that water is at a 20 degrees Celsius, it will be in the form of liquid, but saturation form is that a liquid, uh, water is at a 100 degrees Celsius, it is in the 100 degrees Celsius, it is in vapor form. So it is saturations. So it goes like a lambda by T, and lambda is the heat of vaporization at temperature T. Okay, so this indicates the HT diagram. Then next is that HS diagram, enthalpy and entropy diagram. Okay, HS diagram ને બીજું મોલિયર ડાયાગ્રામ પણ કહેવામાં આવે છે. It is known as a Mollier diagram. So this one be shown in the figure 6.12. So HS diagram, enthalpy versus entropy diagram or a Mollier diagram. Is, as per we see in the figure, a constant central line is indicating. Okay, so these are the saturated liquid. હવે શું કરવાનું છે, constant line that indicates that કે જ્યાં બધા પણ લિક્વિડ છે બરાબર, એ શું હશે, બિલો ધ સેચ્યુરેશન લિક્વિડ પોઈન્ટ, એટલે કે પોતાના નોર્મલ સ્ટેજની અંદર હશે. અને સેચ્યુરેશન લિક્વિડ હશે તો એ કઈ કન્ડિશનમાં હશે કે જે લિક્વિડ છે એ શું થઈ ગયું હશે, એના ઇનિશિયલ સ્ટેટમાંથી ચેન્જ થઈ અને બીજા સ્ટેટની અંદર એન્ટર થઈ ગયું હશે. Okay, so this one is a liquid stage and here is the pressure. Okay, so liquid ની અંદર saturated liquid, and these are the critical point. So critical point, that means all the phases coexist in equilibrium. Then here is the constant x, and here is the liquid plus vapor phase, and here is the vapor phase. Okay, saturation vapor, saturated vapor. So saturated vapors, that means the vapor is in the form of saturating. Okay, જે ટેમ્પરેચર પર વેપર છે એ શું થઈ જશે, નો ફર્ધર કન્વર્ટિંગ ઇન્ટુ ધ વેપર. જે વેપર છે એક ટેમ્પરેચર પર શું હશે, ઇન ધ ફોર્મ ઓફ વેપર, બટ સેચ્યુરેટેડ વેપર ફોર્મમાં આવી જશે ત્યારે એ વેપર બરાબર શું થઈને શું નહીં થશે, ઇટ વિલ બી અ કોન્સ્ટન્ટ પ્રેશર, ઇટ વિલ બી રિમેન કોન્સ્ટન્ટ પ્રેશર પર રહેશે બરાબર. and here is the constant temperature and here is the constant pressure. That means જેટલા પણ molecules of liquid છે એનું કન્વર્ઝન વેપરમાં થાય, એટલા જ વેપરનું લિક્વિડમાં કન્ડેન્સેશન થાય છે બરાબર, એને કહેવામાં આવે છે કોન્સ્ટન્ટ સેચ્યુરેશન પ્રેશર પર બરાબર. So figures show that entropy enthalpy chart popular popularly known as a Mollier graph બરાબર diagram. The energy requirement in this flow process, the general and temperature changes involves is in isentropic and isenthalpic. So isentropic, you know that. Isenthalpic is that means process is proceeding without change in a enthalpy. So the enthalpy remains constant. It is called isenthalpic. Okay. So using this data, we are using this data construct the isentropic and isenthalpic processes. So the lines of constant temperature and pressure shows within two phase region and separate in the vapor phase region into pressure lines, and that rise continuously and temperature lies on the drop and eventually becomes horizontal as per we saw in figure. Okay, this line is indicating liquid and that converting into the vapor. So vapor liquid regions is converting here to the vapor, constant vapor. Lines of constant quality are also shown two phase region. Okay, lines of constant quality, temperature and pressure, it is known as the two phase region. Now how to construct the thermodynamics diagram. We already now we are know the thermodynamics diagrams. Each and every terms is important for the calculating data, but how it can be drawing, बराबर कैसे उसको कंस्ट्रक्ट किया जाता है, कैसे उसको डिटरमाइन किया जाता है. So let's see. So first, thermodynamics charts are prepared by first calculating the ideal gas property by the standard method. First you have to calculate the ideal gas properties, which types of properties is available in the standard method, followed by measuring the enthalpy entropy uh, uh, departs to correct for the pressure. Then departure functions are obtained. Departure functions are obtained from the generalized chart from the departure function, and the critical pressure, temperature and expression for ideal gas heat capacity as a function of temperature are the additional required data. That means કે જે critical pressure છે, critical pressure, critical temperature, આ બધા ડેટાની requirement થશે to express the ideal gas heat capacity. So temperature and data also are required. So the construction of TH and TS diagram is discussing below. The construction of TH diagram and construction of TS, entropy, enthalpy and entropy, so temperature and entropy. As per the construction of TH diagram, here we discuss how the enthalpy is calculated as a function of pressure and at a 3 temperature. Here we discuss how enthalpy is calculated when enthalpy is the function of 3 temperatures. ઓકે, જ્યારે ત્રણ ટેમ્પરેચરના ફંક્શન હોય, ડિપેન્ડન્ટ હોય, ત્યારે કઈ રીતે કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરી શકીએ? સો the temperature choose are T0, T and Tc. T0 is reference temperature, T is any capital T is anytime temperature, okay, and Tc is the critical temperature and T0 is the reference temperature for the basis. બેઝ માટે આપણે કન્સિડર કરવાનું છે. Property below T0 are not generally required for a practical calculation. T0 કરતા જે પણ વેલ્યુ છે એને આપણે કન્સિડર કરવાની નથી. For the present calculation, we assume that substance coexist in saturated liquid at the base temperature. Saturated liquid. Then properties below the T0 is generally calculated, not considered for the present calculation. So all these parameters in this the substance coexist in saturation line at the base temperature temperature T. So the saturation pressure is denoted by P0. Okay, denoted by P0 in the figure 6.13. The point A is represented that the system at the reference scale. This one is the reference scale. So all these constructions and other parameter we will discuss in the next lecture. So in which we consider critical pressure, what is the P3 pressure and temperature and critical temperatures.